Hey there guys, Sylvia here. So welcome to my Mad Basics dime sale review, guys. I mean a review. It's really like an offer that I thought I would really quickly let you know about, because the price of this is a dime sale, obviously. So the price of this offer will be going up tomorrow. Okay, so from Monday it's back to the original price. So now you're getting the front end of this offer for pennies, really, for like, just under $10, and the value is really insane. So basically, if you do know a thing or two about Matt Bacak, what he has done, what he's doing, what he has been doing, pretty much all his life is to do with email marketing. So he's like, one of the top, but like proper gurus when it comes to email marketing. No, not those so-called gurus, right? Okay, he studied marketing, then he got into email marketing specifically, and he has really truly mastered it. Okay, now he's one of those guys who does a lot of split testing. Now I would really strongly encourage you guys to check out this sales page. I'll attach the link to it below my review in the description box. Watch this video here, but where he talks about this product, how he works, how these like headlines have been working for you, because what is this product is about is basically the 7,550 email subject lines. So the best, the most winning subject lines that he has gathered, okay, from the many split tests he has been doing all the time. He's doing the split test all the time. You will see the video on the sales page. So watch that 2 videos on the sales page here, guys. This one here, and then there's another one where he shows you the proof of all of the split tests he does. Okay, so definitely watch those videos. And yeah, so let me show you the price of it. You see, for now it's not even $9, so it's $8.56. Yeah, $8.56. So I would totally get it, okay, if you want to be successful in email marketing, guys. And also don't forget to pick up my free courses. They'll teach you about affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. So how to actually inbox to your clients. So that's very important. And then this, how lovely, these two, my free courses would go with this offer is actually insane, because after you've landed in your clients, okay, potential buyers' inboxes, you want them to open, okay, the email and click on it. Click on the link. So, these headlines, these subject lines would be the thing you need. Okay, so let's quickly check out the sales page. So it says that on Monday, so guys, from tomorrow, okay, so this is it's either like a holiday special, it's kind of like a traditional thing that Matt has been doing for years. He says it's kind of like giving back to the marketing that has given him so much. So yeah, I get it, okay, he's giving back. He's a, rich guy, right? So, but from Monday, it's going back to the original price of $97. So now you get it for, 10%, right? Of less than 10% of the full price. It is like a dime sale, right? So guys, hurry up. It is like, 18 hours now, just over 18 hours, and the price will be going up, and you will be so happy that you will have all those subject lines at hand. And then he goes on to talking about like how the proper, the right subject lines are important, because when it comes to email marketing, guys, okay, the average return on investment is now like, check this out, 4,200%. Okay, so that means that you get like $42 for every dollar you spend. So email marketing is definitely something you want to get yourself into and, grow your email list. Now, Matt also talks about the fact that how frustrating it is to be growing your email list, to, for example, perhaps have spent so much money on solo ads, this and that, or growing them organically, and then have those, and then imagine those, the emails you send are not even open to your subscribers. They never open it because of what? The subject line is not catchy, interesting enough, so they just skip the email and, never even open it, not even mentioning clicking on the link of whatever you are trying to sell or, promote as an affiliate. So yeah, all of the stuff he talks about here is just spot on. There's like plenty of testimonials here from real people. This video is also very good. He shows the proof of all of the split testing he has been doing, and like voila, here you have the best, whatever subject lines have won from all of these split tests. You will have them here under this, offer. Jeremy Kennedy gives his testimonial here. A very cool guy. I have reviewed quite a few products of Jeremy Kennedy, always very good quality. So, and he say, why am I doing this? Well, simply because he wants to give back to the market since it's given him so much, and yeah, that's just the way it works. It's nice that he does that. And also, like, if you order now, he will also include a special video for free called My Winning Guest Subject Lines Quick Start Video. So seriously, he says, this short video will show you how to get more opens and clicks than ever before. I would bet you never heard of anything like it. Just watch it, you will see, you will like what you see. So you will get the subject lines, and then this video around 25 minutes on how to actually get more opens and clicks. So cool bonus. Okay, and like as if that was not enough, he actually gives you 60 days money back guarantee. Okay, cool. So yeah, guys, the time to get it is now, really. Okay. And let me quickly show you. There's a few frequently asked questions. I would definitely read those before you buy it. Okay. Check out the sales page. You will find it in the description box below my review. Grab my free courses as well. They complement. I mean, they go so much hand in hand, because in here you have such an amazing free email marketing secrets and email toolkit training course by a cool guy. Okay, a guy that is super knowledgeable, friendly, very genuine, honest, and he has been influenced big time actually by Bacak actually. So the creator of these courses is Tim Michaels, and he always speaks very highly of Bacak and yeah, basically recommends his products, because let me show you quickly his Warrior Plus profile here. That's Matt's profile, right? Here is like, he only released a few products, but like all of the products he has released are just winners. Okay, as you can see, strong score, like what does he have? Over 4 stars in general. I mean, this product here, Brainvertise, got even 5 stars. Wow, I have to look it up actually. I know this one. I have not reviewed it, but I actually do have this product, so I will review it soon and check it out. It's sold in like 20,000 plus copies. So a secret email system. This is the product Matt Bacak is very well known for. And yeah, it's like 16,000 swipes. There's another product. This one is on a dime sale at the moment. So let's check out the OTOs. So the front end of this product is obviously a dime sale. So you're getting this for under $9. And then there is this like traditional funnel, a classic sort of like funnel that he always has to do with his product. So 1, 2, 3, 4 upsells. So some like cool checklists, guys. Email swipe files. And then this one is very popular, the Secret Email Mastermind. You pay yearly for this one, $84. I know that, for example, the creator of these courses Michaels, is most likely a member of this mastermind. I do believe he purchased this upsell, so he is a member. Yeah, upsells are also very extremely valuable, okay, and it's nice to be part of his community as well. So, but even if you were just to get the front end, it's just a steal. It is a dime sale, guys, and like it would be a shame to miss out on it, especially that the price of it will be going up, very, very soon. Alright, guys, so act now, okay? Take action and take your email marketing to the moon with these cool subject lines. Alright, guys, love you and leave you, and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.